Phenomenal, over $1 million to rebuild, 4233 square feet plus 3,000 finished walkout 4-bed 3.5 bath ranch west/timber framing, soaring cathedral wood beam ceilings throughout on private wooded 10.49 acre on stunning private lake. 50 by 80 heated pole barn west/14 and 10 feet doors, office, full bath, kitchen and huge concrete driveway. First floor laundry, open floor plan, hickory floors, great room west/huge windows overlooking lake, huge double-sided stone fireplace fits 4 feet logs, geothermal heat, radiant in floor, only $338 average month bill. Hickory Island kitchen, study, huge master bedroom overlooking lake, extra bedrooms west/private lofts, custom metalwork, railing, etched glass, beautiful Florida room. Finished walkout basement, theater room, fam room, hot tub room, second kitchen, dining area, rec room. Brand new roof on house and barn. Heated 2.5 plus car attached garage. Sprinklers, multiple decks and patios, stamped concrete, stunning views of lake, timber trees, eagles, deer etc. 45 kW whole house generator.